As with any conviction here in the state of Arizona, if you're convicted of murder, there's a range of sentences that you are going to face. Here in Arizona, we have mandatory sentencing statutes and regulations that even the judge's discretion concerning how or much time you're going to serve in prison, or whether probation is available, how much you're going to pay in fines or whatnot. Even the judge's discretion is limited here in Arizona. There's a range of sentencing. Generally, when you're convicted of certain crimes, particularly murder, there's a presumptive sentence. That means upon conviction, it's presumed that this is the amount of time that you're going to get. There are opportunities to ask for a mitigated sentence or the minimum sentence. This is when evidence is injected into the sentencing hearing that causes the judge to say, well, maybe we shouldn't give him the presumed sentence. We should mitigate it or give him the minimum. But also, on the other hand, the prosecutor can inject evidence that says, well, no, we should aggravate this sentence or give them the maximum sentence. And so this will be discussed in a sentencing hearing that will happen after a person is convicted. So what can happen to me if I'm convicted of murder, depending on what kind of murder you're convicted of. If it's capital murder, you can be put to death. If it's less than capital murder, you could serve life in prison. You could serve. There could be a number of ranges of sentence depending on the murder charge and the other charges that are attached to it. And so sometimes sentence can be stacked. Is this your first offense, or is it your 15th offense? Were there other aggravating factors that cause sentence enhancements? These are all things that you will discuss with your lawyer. We have a duty under the law to walk over all of that, the worst thing that could happen to you and the best favorable outcome. While no lawyer, me included, can promise you any outcome, we have an obligation of the law to go over with you the possible sentencing ranges and what can happen to you. And so there are a number of things that can happen, anything from serving your life in prison down to probation or dismissal of charges. So you want to talk with your lawyer about that and make sure that you're fully aware of what your exposure is concerning your murder charge or whatever other charges that you're facing.